a manifesto under the spotlight, Congress's Nyay Patra, highlighting equity, youth, women, farmers and workers as 5 areas of justice delivery, garners national attention after Prime Minister Modi's relentless attacks. On April 9, the Prime Minister compared the Congress election document to that of the Muslim League.
कांग्रेस ने जो घोषणा पत्र बनाया है वो कांग्रेस का नहीं, ऐसा लगता है मुस्लिम लीग का घोषणा पत्र दिखता है कि कांग्रेस अब कांग्रेस नहीं रही.
Prime Minister Modi then labeled the manifesto as pro-Muslim.
क्या आपकी संपत्ति को, आपने मेहनत करके कमाई हुई संपत्ति को सरकार को ऐंठने का अधिकार है क्या? ये कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो कह रहा है कि वो माताओं बहनों का सोने का हिसाब करेंगे, उसकी जड़ती करेंगे, जानकारी लेंगे और फिर उस संपत्ति को बांट देंगे.
इस जनता जनार्दन के सामने रखें.
In Aligarh, the Prime Minister reiterated his accusation of asset redistribution against the Congress manifesto, branding it as emblematic of communist principles.
ये जो संपत्ति है, उनको सरकार अपने कब्जे में लेकर उसको सबको बांट देगी, ये कहते हैं. ये मैनिफेस्टो उनका कह रहा है.
Congress retaliated fiercely, refuting the Prime Minister's interpretation of its Nyay Patra. Former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram asserted that the Congress manifesto has struck a chord with voters, causing consternation within the ruling BJP.
BJP's manifesto vanished without a trace within 2 hours. Nobody talks about the BJP's manifesto because there is nothing in the BJP's manifesto. He is envious, jealous of the Congress's manifesto, which is becoming a talking point, and he's tarnishing the Congress's manifesto.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi countered Prime Minister Modi's wealth distribution allegation, asserting that his party's election document has rattled the Prime Minister.
मैनिफेस्टो आपको अच्छा लगा? आपने देखा होगा कि प्रधानमंत्री पैनिक कर गए हैं. हाँ, बिल्कुल हिल गए, घबरा गए. क्रांतिकारी मैनिफेस्टो है.
This vote makes the future.
In her speech, Priyanka Gandhi accused the BJP of employing divisionary tactics and favoring its friends with national wealth.
And you listen to the Prime Minister's speeches and to the speeches of other politicians in the BJP, you find that the truth is reflected in the fact that they will not speak about your problems. Every single day they pull out some new issue which is unrelated to your life, which is unrelated to your progress.
The Congress manifesto shaping the campaign narrative, particularly after the first phase of elections marked by a lower turnout. Bureau Report, India Today.